Roblox. Now my pet Alexi.
Extra water.
Yes.
You want this?
No. I want it.
What?
It's okay.
Play like that?
Don't enjoy what I'm holding on, ball. Don't enjoy what I'm holding.
Guys, free candy over here. Free candy.
No,
Hey, you want to go in the secret hotspot?
We see?
I'll go in it first.
Yoink.
Oh my god.
Haha. Okay.
I'm gonna die myself.
Haha, doesn't give you wings. Haha, doesn't give you wings. Help! Help me! Please! Please! Help! Help! Help!
Sure.
Hey, what are you doing? I will call 519. Buddy! Help! Buddy! Buddy! Let's get over here. Help! And I'm gonna make the bestest backrooms. So I'm gonna start.
Hey, purple's over here. Purple. You. That's cool. How did you get in here? It's a secret base.
What is this? A little
Could be supposed to be backrooms. It's supposed to be could be backrooms.
Alright, I hope you build it.
It's a secret hole.
It's backrooms blocks. No, not those blocks. Hey, it's these blocks right here. It's these blocks. It's not sand. If you see a one, it kind of looks like
Okay, wait.
backrooms. It's like a one with arrows pointing up. Hey, how about we have a build challenge?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna build a
Okay,
wall.
I'm gonna build a mechanism that will shoot you to outer space.
Nah, you can't tell me what you're gonna do.
He's a nice one. You won't hurt you.
Are you literally cheating? You're not cheating. You are actually cheating.
Bro, what are you trying? How about you shut up? How about that? Say that to a woman. Should I let him in? I have to say that back. Shut up with your ugly sound. I have to defend myself. Go in there. Go in there. Go in there. Okay, good. It's your new home. Chill, buddy.
Alright, I'm making it. It's almost done.
No, we're in a backrooms build challenge.
Yeah, I'm making that. Like, you have to go in here, and then there's gonna be a room that will send you to outer space.
Make sure I'm not supposed to see your build, okay? I'm not supposed to see your build. I'm not supposed to see your build.
Whatever, gotta do Get the crazy one away here.
Come step in my Air Force One.
Why are you looking at me like that? Don't let the secret base kind of like.
Step in my Air Force One.
Wait,
I'll stay in the pool if I can be in this.
No!
I like swimming.
Hold up, I gotta talk.
I just don't like other sea monkeys.
Got me stepping in
Okay,
Air Force One. Give me
in 1 second.
I need you. Let's go. Let me step in Air Force One. Got me stepping in my Air Force One.
Here, we're gonna go into the
I need you. Let's go. Got me stepping in my Air Force One. Got me stepping in my Air Force
I will
One.
close it off so he won't come in. You're safe, buddy. Why is he right there? Okay, I can let
this perfect song. Again.
Hello.
Anxiety, get it off me. And somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. Ta ta ta. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
No, I want to go in here. I want to go in here.
Can you
Don't
stay
go
right
in
here?
there.
Got you a gift.
Ta 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 ta. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, I found a hack. If you
Not
put a
you.
pickaxe
You
in
better
lava,
move.
and then have it, and then have it in lava for
Okay.
10 seconds,
I'll
and
quickly
then
go. Go,
it will turn
no,
into a
get
lava
out.
pickaxe.
No.
Give me money.
Hey, let him out.
me
I
money.
want him out.
Mr.
Get
Me.
him out.
Give me some money.
Get him out.
Papa,
Give me some money.
can you tell me when it
This is
has
better. Of their bathrooms.
I want an enclosure.
Give me some money. Yeah.
I'm gonna build a better backrooms of somebody's build, cause his build is crazy. Look, can you go in here?
Now allow me.
Okay, like that. I'm gonna add some more texture to my backroom.
Yeah, yeah. Right here. You're in back here, buddy. Follow me. Go in there. Let me out. What? I want to be in a different one. I don't like this one. Why? You don't. Where should I be? You want to be with the axolotl, the other one? Yes. Okay, yeah, there's also another guy, he's pretty chill. It's a party room around here. It's a party room. Yeah, you guys can chill here. There's no more Okay.
How about I give you these instead? Rockets. This is a secret room.
You guys are right now famous.
Okay, well, can you get them out of my cage now?
Okay. Give me over my close and I'll get out. Show me.
No.
How do I keep how to get out of here? If it's only giving over my close. If this breaks again, there is definitely a hack.
Look. Look, that's basically crossing, so if you don't leave, look, if I give you this, I'm gonna count to 5, from 5 to 1, and if you're not there, even if you leave like 1 millisecond after, I will report you for harassment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That basically counted.
Come down here.
Can you get him out?
Okay, let me get on my back. I didn't have to do this.
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Guess you were scared of me.
Whoa.
Listen, what you gonna say? Tell me that you Oh no, I forgot what the name is. Let me back in.
Well, guys, I have one question. Why is that the axolotl room? The ice is literally frozen.
Yeah, it used to be in there, but like, people started
Wait,
Oh my
is it just
God.
is this meant to be the
Jeez.
axolotl room and the room?
Yeah, that is.
Then why are the...
You want me in? You want them in here? Put me in.
No, it's their choice. It's their choice of life or death. If they want to stay alive, then they should come here. If they want to die, then they can stay in there.
Let me let me out. What? No, yeah, no. He only allows these actually. Do you mind
What?
asking
Oh!
bottom first?
Looking off. You scared me.
Do you want to kill them or do you like them? You like them. I think that's what it means. I don't know. I'm just doing my dance. Let me do my dance. I gotta get.
Okay, well, oh
Is this
my god.
problem right now that I really gotta fix? You guys are nuts. Oh, I didn't know that. You're our least popular animal. You don't have any cool equipment. So I didn't even know. Oh, this guy looks popular. I think. Hey, come over here, dude. Oh wait, yeah. Which home do you want to be in? This one?
Wait, which one was the puppy?
Let go.
Which one was the puppy?
I want to get out. I want out.
Which one was the puppy?
I want to get out. What?
Which one was the puppy?
You were in this one.
No, which one was the most puppy?
This one has a secret base, so more popular. That one's also pretty popular too. Yeah, let me in! Let me out! Okay, yeah, you don't want to be in here? I love you guys. You're my favorite. Guys, is the order. What's your best one? I since I love you guys so much, you're all gonna follow me. You guys keep that get a murder. I want to see it as you're walking in. Okay. Who wants that? You guys. Follow me over here and I'll show you where it is. It's right in here.
I knew you was coming.
Guys, you see, you're very popular.
I wanna come and I wanna go in the
Wait, I'm
zoo.
gonna do my dance real quick. Yeah, you guys are popular.
Animal.
He's trying to kill me.
I know.
There's a tree in here. Can you let me in?
You. Stop. Guys, everyone listen up. Why? There's so many people in my zoo. Everyone listen up. I'm gonna do the dance. The zoo is permanently closing. The whole zoo will be gone in 2 seconds.
No.
There's only one. There's only one way to stop you. And if you catch me, then you can stop me from closing down. You. I'm gonna say no.
You guys.
Okay, goodbye to the zoo.
I wanna see
Goodbye.
the ugly
Hey, don't
monster.
You suck me pushing.
Nobody.
Mommy
Forever.
is gonna die.
Put it back. Little guy.
That's like that.
You guys
Oh
want
my.
to go back to your home?
Can I have it?
As long as
I want to go to the. I want to go wherever. Right here. I can't really do that.
no. This is the end of the video.
You want to go in there
Which
and fight?
bye.